Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Prep. Today we are going to discuss some sample queries using group by clause, order by clause and having clause. Starting with the use of order by clause with group by clause. For example, there is one customer table with different column names like customer ID, customer name and city. And here we want to return the number of customers staying in a particular city. So first of all we have to use group by clause in the city column so that it will arrange similar city into one group. After that we will use the count aggregate function in the cust ID column so that it will return the number of customers staying in that particular city. So the query will be select count cust ID, comma city from customer, then group by city. So the output will look like this, that is Mumbai. For Mumbai, the count cust ID will return 2 number of rows cause 2 customers are staying in Mumbai. Similarly, for Hyderabad, the count cust ID will return 1. For Bangalore, it will return 1. For Pune, it will return 3 because 3 customers are staying in Pune. Suppose we want to arrange the cities in an order where maximum number of customers are staying. That is, suppose Pune will be displayed first, then Mumbai, then Hyderabad, then Bangalore. So basically we want to sort the count cust ID in descending order. What will we do? As we know that in SQL we use order by clause to sort the selected column in whether in ascending order or descending order. So the query will be select count cust ID then comma city from customer then group by city. After that we will use order by then the column name. This column name, that is count cust ID. If we will not write anything, it will sort it ascending order. But here we want to display in descending order, that's why we will write descending order. So the output of this query will be first 3 will be displayed in that side Pune, in the city side Pune. After that 2, then in the city side Mumbai, then Hyderabad, then Bangalore. I hope you are clear about the use of order by clause with group by clause. Now we will use the use of order by clause with having clause. Suppose there is one table, that is customer table with customer ID column, customer name column and city column, and we want to return the number of customers staying in a particular city. So we will use the group by clause. So the query will be select count cust ID city from customer group by city. So the output of this query will be for Mumbai city, the count cust ID will return 1 because only one person is staying in Mumbai. Similarly, for Pune, it will return 2. For Hyderabad, it will return 3. And for Bangalore, it will return 4. Suppose after this, there is 2 conditions. The first condition is filter out only those record, filter out only those city where the number of customer is greater than 1. Where the count cust ID is greater than 1. That is the first condition. After that, the second condition. The second condition is after filtering out, sort the remaining city in descending order. That is, the city having maximum number of customer will be displayed first and the city having minimum number of customer will be displayed last. So this is the second condition. As we know that when we want to filter for the first condition, when we want to filter out anything, we will use having clause, because when we are using any aggregate function we can't use where clause, so we will use having clause here. So the query will be select count cust ID city from customer group by city, then having count cust ID is greater than 1. Up to this it will discard the Mumbai city with the count cust ID 1. So up to this query the output will be 2, 3, 4 and in the city column it will return Pune, Hyderabad and Bangalore. After that we will return we have to sort the remaining city in descending order so that the city having maximum number of customer will be displayed first. So we will write order by then count cust ID descending order. So after this whole query the output will be for in the count cust ID column 4, 3, 2 and in the city column Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. I hope you are clear about the use of order by clause with having clause. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Placement Prep. Thank you. Have a good day.